Takulandirani ku AMTV Malawi kuchimake kwa nkhani zenizeni. Ngati nkhani imeneyo kuno kulibe, dziwani kuti nkhani imeneyo ndi yabodza.
Kuti kodi nozobo ligi yonse basi timalizie ndi mbwiti. Please, let's take basketball as an art that we must master it in order for us to succeed. All I can say is be assured of my continued support to the league. Pano tukiika malaitsi awa ndekuti ogwira ntchito aina chimpeni awandazi nzao. After they knock off, they can come here and pray at night. Choncho, we can have games at night right here. Thereby, sitipanga nambakuti ligi ya zimai sikwenda bwino because zambi alipazi ntchito, they have to go to work. But now you can come Mazuro, Mukarempa kwa Bambo, of course, and come and pray and practice here basketball. Before I take a seat, I want to welcome my brother, my senior, Nili first year Gobole, Ewali final year. My brother and senior, Engineer Dr. Matthews Mtumbuka. Please come forward. Please, a word of encouragement.
Thank you. Monira Mangetose. Muri Timakola ine na Jumbaga ndoa. Weni bauti uyu munganya ni munyane. Na dininga Jumbaga cha kakundale iya gara ni imeti ili ngasa viji. So mwaka mkaona ngati kwamba na paise. So nangudipo ni mtauze ni pase moto eti wachika vindu vikuru chomene kanandi masposi ya kuno kumpota wandu wakuru wakati mwitu watikumbuka 20 milioni makumi ngati tienti wakuye maoko haona bunjindi ya mumba tamungane kuru Mukoyaruru, murutilire, yacha menene mzuzu yeo.
Thank you. You know, as engineers, we don't speak in words, we speak in figures and diagrams. So, just a few words. Thank you so much. Thank you, Honorable Engineer Dr. Mtumbuka, for passing by. What a great surprise. He's my brother, he's my senior. We talk, we engage, we share ideas, even in Parliament, even way before Parliament. We have always, I remember when I was contesting as a Polytechnic Students' Union President at Polytechnic. He was in Rwanda or Kenya, I can't remember. He gave me a call just to encourage me and inspire me. In 2005, long time ago, he called me, young man, go for it, I'm behind you. That's how far we have come together with my brother, Engineer Dr. Mtumbuka. God bless you all. God bless Nozobo. Tamba chomene, yo chomene.
Thank you very much to you, sir, for the sponsorship.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.